Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. The Indian Railways issued a circular on February 28, 1997 to the effect that the reserved candidates promoted at roster points could not claim seniority over the senior general candidates promoted later. This was done following the law laid down by the Supreme Court that it was permissible to follow that reserved candidates who get promotion at the roster points would not be entitled to claim seniority at the promotional level as against senior general candidates who got promoted at a later point of time to the same level, and that it would be open to the state to provide that as and when the senior general candidate got promoted to the level to which the reserved candidate was promoted earlier, the general candidate would have to be treated as senior to the reserved candidate at the promotional level as well, unless of course the reserved candidate got a further promotion by that time to a higher post. Similarly, the state of Punjab was proceeding to revise seniority lists and make further promotions of the senior general candidates who had reached the level to which the reserved candidates had reached earlier. At that point of time, another three-judge bench of the Supreme Court held that the general rule in the service rules relating to seniority from the date of continuous officiation would be attracted even to the roster point promotees, as otherwise there would be discrimination against the reserved candidates. In light of the above two contrary decisions, state was in a quandary what to do, and the same was brought before the Supreme Court, wherein the issues inter alia were: could the roster point promotees reserved category count their seniority in the promoted category from the date of their continuous officiation vis-a-vis the general candidates who were senior to them in the lower category and who were later promoted to the same level. Whether the catch-up principles claimed by the general candidates are tenable. The judgment of the court can be summarized as follows. The roster point promotees reserved category could not count their seniority in the promoted category from the date of their continuous officiation in the promoted post vis-a-vis the general candidates who were senior to them in the lower category and who were later promoted. On the other hand, the senior general candidate at the lower level, if he reached the promotional level later but before the further promotion of the reserved candidate, would have to be treated as senior at the promotional level to the reserved candidate, even if the reserved candidate was earlier promoted to that level. The apex court held that decision of Jagdish Lal versus State of Haryana AIR 1997 SC 2366 arrived at an incorrect conclusion because of applying a rule of continuous officiation which was not intended to apply to the reserved candidates promoted at roster points. There was no conflict in the principles laid down in the two judgments of Union of India versus Veerpal Singh 1993 6 SCC 685 and Ajit Singh Januja versus State of Punjab 1996 2 SCC 215. in Ajit Singh, the court had to consider the validity of such a circular dated 1969, which positively declared that the roster points were seniority points. Thus, the decision in Ajit Singh was correct. In case any senior general candidate at initial level, suppose L3, reached next level before the reserved candidate, roster point promotee at next level, that is level 2, goes further up to higher level 1 than the seniority at next level, that is level 2, had to be modified by placing such a general candidate above the roster promotee, reflecting their inter se seniority at level 2. Further, promotion to higher level 1 must be on the basis of such a modified seniority at level 2, namely that the senior general candidate of level 3 will remain senior also at level 2 to the reserved candidate, even if the latter had reached level 2 earlier. After decision in Ajit Singh, it becomes necessary that a reserved candidate who has been promoted to higher level, say level 2 under reservation quota, and the general category candidate senior to reserved candidate at level 3 who was promoted to same level, that is level 2 later, and for promotion to next level 1, the reserved category candidate was promoted to disregard of general category candidate who was promoted to same level 1 later. Then in such situations it become necessary to review the promotion of the reserved candidate to level 1 and reconsider the same without causing reversion to the reserved candidate who reached level 1, as and when the senior reserved candidate was later promoted to level 4, the seniority at level 4 was also to be refixed on the basis of when the reserved candidate at level 3 would have got his normal promotion, treating him as junior to the senior general candidate at level 3.